back to Lutri Pinoy sa America. So we're gonna do another unboxing video today, but this time I have two things. So first thing I have is this Nutri chopper. Both of these are as seen on TV products. And down here you can see it chops thin slices, thick slices, wedges, and cubes. Here's the back. And then right here you can see that it can chop cucumbers, tomatoes, cheese, eggs, apples and potatoes, and much more. So this is the first thing we're gonna unbox. And then the second thing is a grill and bake mat. It's a 2-pack and it's copper infused. So as you can see here, it's good for pizza, ribs, burgers, and veggies. So first thing we're gonna unbox is the Nutri chopper. And by the way, both of these are a gift from me to my mom for Christmas. So we open it up. And then first thing we have here is the instruction booklet. And then we have the slicers and this lid. And then we have the chopper itself. So there it is. And then we have this slicer. And we have another one, these are for the wedges. And then, so you would put this in here, and then this on top. So that would be for chopping in cubes. And then take that out and then put this on. And then you would cut in the wedges. So yeah, that was the Nutri chopper. And then now we're going to unbox this grill and bake mat. So it's a 2-pack. And when you take out the plastic, there it is. And here's the other one. So this is probably useful for our barbecue. So if we do more barbecue videos, most likely these will be in them. And that is pretty much it. This was another unboxing video, and thanks for watching. If you're brand new, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for 300 subscribers. And remember to like, share, and comment. And yep, that's it. Thanks for watching.